Do you know why we cover our mouths when we yawn? Sure, today it's polite and helps stop the spread of germs, but originally it was to stop the soul from departing the body in the open yawn. In ancient times, child caregivers noticed that newborns yawned when first born. This is an instant reflex to gain oxygen for the lungs, but due to the amount of infant deaths, it was assumed this was the reason for the high infant mortality rate. As a child did not have the ability to stop their soul departure, it was recommended good mothers stay vigilant near the children and cover their yawns until the child can do it themselves. As well, you probably know that yawns are contagious. If you see someone yawning, you are likely to yawn as well. However, to this day, scientists don't know why. We know why we yawn, to get oxygen to our lungs, but we do not know why we react to seeing a yawn with a desire to yawn. Scientists have also noticed that we are likely to yawn if we feel comfortable with the initial yawner and not from a random stranger. So what do you think? Did you yawn while watching this?